Energizer has just launched its first vertical folding, although curiously it does not get to stand out in the battery section like all folding. We are talking about the Energizer Ultimate U660S. I do not know who advised Energizer to put this kind of name, but it is a lousy name. This foldable is not only strange for being from the Energizer brand, but it is also extremely inexpensive. It offers a considerably wide external screen, very similar to what we saw on the Galaxy Z Flip 4. The internal screen is 6.67 inches with OLED technology and Full HD Plus resolution. The processor is the MediaTek Helio G99. That is why this device has a tight price, because although it is not a bad processor, it is obviously far from reaching the performance of a flagship. But honestly, we have tested this processor in several devices and have had a very good experience, so this could be one of the first mid-range focused foldables. The device comes with 12 gigabytes of RAM accompanied by 256 gigabytes of storage and runs Android 14. For the photographic section, it offers a 64 megapixel camera for the main sensor, and we have an 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera as a secondary camera. Meanwhile, on the inside, it has a 25 megapixel front camera and its battery is 3400 milliamps. So it is a very small battery and there is no information regarding its charging and other details, as they have simply given an initial glimpse during the Mobile World Congress. Its price is expected to be 499 euros. On screen you are seeing the reference price in other currencies, although this device will start its sale until November. So it's very strange that they've given an initial glimpse as of now, but as I told you, it's among the first foldable to be priced at a tight price point, so it could appeal to a lot of people.